Alright, hello mga boss. So, welcome back dito sa ating video. Today, we are going to talk about yung panibagong feature ng Facebook, yung messages ng Facebook. If you try to go here sa ating Meta Business Suite, pag i-click natin yan, it will automatically open dito. And then you can select. And then dito sa marketing messages, ito yung panibagong feature ni Facebook page that you can message your entire subscribers or followers mo sa yung Facebook page. So right now, na-click ko na yung dito sa Facebook page. Make sure nakalagin yung account mo. In this case, ito yung Facebook page ko. So click natin yan. Once maklik natin yan, it will open up into a new tab will lead you to this page. And then you can select whether it's planner, content, insights, and dito yung panibago nilang marketing messages. The good thing about this is you can message your subscribers. Mga subscribers natin ngayon as of today is nasa mga 873. So konti lang yung subscribers natin kasi you need to activate pa yung tawag dyan, yung Facebook na i-click mo yun para mag-subscribe sila to get update from your page. As you can see, I have over 100,000 followers and 114 likes sa aking page, pero yung nakasubscribe pa lang 873 subscribers. Okay, as you can see, wala pa tayong nagawa na campaign. So you can actually go here, so welcome, engage new subscribers, share mo yung update mo, offer, and then create your own, and then ads, pwede ka rin mag-create ng ads. So in this video, we're just gonna make a offer kasi may panibago kong course ngayon. If you try to go here sa ating website, ito yung website ko. I'm using a Shopify na platform, and we have a brand new course which is this one, ChatGPT, get it done with ChatGPT course for only 129 pesos. So what are we going to do right now is we are going to promote this by using dung sa ating marketing messages na feature dito sa ating Facebook page. So I'm just gonna walk you through na lang kasi na-review ko na rin to before. Okay, so if you try to go here sa marketing messages, if you click that one, will open up into a new parang dashboard wherein you can see kung ano ba yung mga performance ng marketing messages nyo. And then you can also click here sa grow your subscribers para you can grow your subscribers, no? Self-explanatory. You can create a campaign, telling your people na telling your followers to follow your page, okay? Or subscribe. So hindi mo na natin gagawin yan. This is gonna be another video. So let's create an offer here. Create natin an offer. And then once we create an offer, we can name the campaign. This is gonna be a GPT course campaign. Okay, tayo na yan. Boom. And then one time lang, set natin yung schedule, send now. Okay, today, right now it's 1:16 PM. To all subscribers, no? Pwede ka rin maka-inactive subscribers, for the existing customers who are subscribers. So all subscribers na lang. Okay? Then ito yung maging preview natin, guys. So sa next page, we are going to edit this. Okay, next page. And then, hi, first name. For you, pwede natin i-change yan. We have a new course about ChatGPT for only 129 pesos. Okay? Check ko yan. Get it now. 1,000 off today. Pay only 129. Click shop now below to enroll. Alright? So, lagyan natin ng emoji ng ganyan na parang check. Boom. Okay? And then, dito, lagyan natin ng emoji na parang celebrate. There you go. And then, ang image natin, we are going to upload the image. Meron akong nagawa na image dito, guys. Yan. Course outline. So, wait a minute. Meron siyang hindi siya masyado makita eh. So, ang requirement niya is, I don't know, we need to change this na lang. Change this na lang para makita talaga natin yung banner. How about this one? There you go. Hindi rin siya pwede kasi hindi makita. So, we need to change it. Let's say, for example, that one. Okay, that's it. Get done with ChatGPT. Ito yung ginagawa ko na course. Okay? Headline. Kasi wala akong code ngayon eh. Enroll now for only 129. Boom. Okay, 129. Okay, so limited time offer only. Shop now. Actually, we can change that one to enroll now. Okay? So, pwede nating click enroll now. Enroll now below. Alright. Yan. Alright. And then link natin, of course, ito yung link natin na gagamitin. Boom. And then there you go. There you go. And then once that's done, check natin. Hi Jake, we have a new course about ChatGPT for only 129 pesos. 1,000 off today. Pay only 129. Click enroll now. Click enroll now below. Enroll now for only 129. Limited time offer only. Enroll now. Okay? Click natin yung next. Boom. And then dito campaign, ChatGPT campaign, one-time delivery, send now all subscribers. Hi Jake, ito yung message natin, yung media natin ganyan. Enroll now for 129. So all you have to do is once that's done, click natin yung send now. What if we're going to click here sa send test in messenger? Okay? And of course, meron tayong messenger dito, guys. So it's exactly the same. Yung natanggap ko na messenger is exactly the same. Okay? Click natin yung enroll now. Okay, so ito yun siya, guys. Alright? So what we're going to do right now is we are going to click send now. Okay? Boom. And then magsasend na siya ng message. Alright, guys. So yeah, that's it for this episode, guys. And now alam niyo na kung paano ba kayo mag-reach out to your existing subscribers galing sa inyong Facebook page. Alright, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and see you sa mga next videos natin. God bless.